What if I told you that your thoughts could shape your reality? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Welcome to the magical world of the law of attraction. It's simple. What you focus on, you attract. Imagine you're a magnet, drawing in what you think about the most. Feeling positive, you'll attract good vibes and opportunities. Or feeling down? Well, that's what you'll pull in too. So how do you use this to manifest your dreams? Start with clear intentions. Picture what you want in vivid detail. Feel the joy of having it. Next, believe it's possible. Doubts? Toss them aside like yesterday's news. Finally, take inspired action. The universe loves a go-getter. Small steps count, so keep moving forward. Remember, the law of attraction is like planting a seed. With focus, belief, and action, you'll see your dreams bloom. Ready to attract your best life? Start now.